Follow me, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Goodbye, garlic breath. Meet the new king of natural antibiotics. Grandma's old recipe. Garlic has been the reigning champion of natural antibiotics for centuries. But what if I told you there's a new contender that's about to shake things up? No more worrying about dragon breath or the lingering scent of your last meal for hours on end. Today, we're diving into a natural remedy that not only rivals garlic in its antibacterial power, but does so without leaving you socially exiled. Let's get into it. We all know garlic is a powerhouse. It fights infections, boosts immunity, and even reduces blood pressure. But let's be honest, not everyone can handle its pungent aroma or strong aftertaste. What if you could get the same benefits without the drawbacks? Enter the new king of natural antibiotics, honey-infused turmeric. Before you roll your eyes and think this is just another trendy superfood combo, let me hit you with some science. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with incredible anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. In fact, studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit the growth of various harmful bacteria, including Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli, two of the most common culprits behind infections. When combined with raw honey, a well-documented natural antibiotic, the results are nothing short of amazing. Raw honey alone has been used for centuries to treat wounds and prevent bacterial growth due to its hydrogen peroxide content and low pH level, making it a natural enemy of harmful microbes. Now, let's talk practical application. Imagine you're feeling under the weather, your throat is scratchy, and you sense a cold coming on. Instead of reaching for a store-bought lozenge packed with artificial flavors and sugar, mix a teaspoon of raw honey with a pinch of turmeric and a dash of black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Let it slowly dissolve in your mouth, coating your throat with its antibacterial magic. Not only does this help soothe irritation, but it actively fights the bacteria causing the issue in the first place. But wait, there's more. Unlike garlic, which can cause digestive discomfort in some people, turmeric and honey are gentle on the stomach. Garlic, when consumed in large amounts, can lead to bloating, acid reflux, and even an upset stomach. Turmeric, on the other hand, has been shown to support gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while suppressing harmful strains. Pair that with honey, which acts as a prebiotic, and you've got a gut-friendly, immune-boosting powerhouse. If you need more convincing, let's look at some real-world examples. In a 2013 study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, researchers found that turmeric extract was effective against multiple drug-resistant strains of bacteria, making it a potential alternative to conventional antibiotics. Another study from 2017 revealed that honey was just as effective as over-the-counter cough suppressants in reducing nighttime cough frequency in children. So, why aren't more people replacing their garlic supplements with turmeric and honey? Well, tradition is hard to break, and garlic has been deeply ingrained in natural medicine for centuries. But as we learn more about alternative remedies, it's clear that there are options that are just as effective and much more socially acceptable. The best part? You can start benefiting from this today. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper. Take it once daily for immune support or as needed when you feel a cold coming on. You can even add it to warm tea for an extra soothing effect. So, what do you think? Is turmeric and honey the new garlic? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video to help spread the word. And before you go, don't forget to check out my other videos where I dive deep into more life-changing natural remedies. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Here are 20 tips and tricks to use oregano oil and other natural antibiotics effectively. Oregano oil, the new king of natural antibiotics. 1. Oregano oil kills bacteria fast. It contains carvacrol, a powerful antimicrobial compound that eliminates harmful bacteria. 2. Fights fungal infections. Oregano oil is highly effective against Candida and other fungal overgrowths. 3. Boosts immunity. Naturally, just a few drops in water can strengthen the immune system against colds and flu. 4. Soothes sore throat. Gargling oregano oil mixed with warm water helps fight throat infections. 5. Clears sinus infections. Inhaling oregano oil steam clears congestion and kills airborne bacteria. 6. Supports gut health. Oregano oil removes bad bacteria from the gut while keeping good bacteria intact. 7. Fights urinary tract infections. Utis. Its antibacterial properties make it a natural remedy for utis. 8. Reduces food poisoning risk. Adding a drop to meals can kill harmful bacteria in contaminated food. 9. Treats skin infections. Diluted oregano oil applied topically can help heal cuts, wounds, and acne. 10. Combats parasites. Oregano oil works as a powerful remedy for intestinal parasites and infections. Other powerful natural antibiotics. 11. Turmeric heals from the inside out. Curcumin in turmeric fights inflammation and infections naturally. 12. Honey as a natural wound healer. Raw honey has antibacterial properties that help heal wounds and cuts. 13. Apple cider vinegar for detox. A CV fights bacteria and helps alkalize the body. 14. Ginger for respiratory infections. Ginger fights colds and flu while reducing mucus buildup. 15. Clove oil for toothaches, a natural pain reliever and antibacterial agent for oral infections. 16. Coconut oil for fungal infections contains lauric acid, which helps fight bacteria and fungi. 17. Lemon and warm water for detox, a morning detox drink that boosts immunity and flushes toxins. 18. Echinacea for immune support, a well-known herbal remedy for fighting colds and infections. 19. Probiotics for gut health. Good bacteria prevent infections by keeping harmful microbes in check. 20. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water helps flush toxins and supports immune function. Ditch garlic breath and embrace oregano oil as your new go-to natural antibiotic. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.